Hello, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I want to give you 5 things that you can do this weekend instead of dieting. Instead of restricting your food intake, instead of thinking about what you can't have, I want to give you 5 tips of what you can do this week or this weekend in order to feel like you can look forward to something. When we are in a restrictive mindset of what we can't do, what we shouldn't do, what we need not to do, that's a very painful place to be. So if you can think about things that you want to do, things that you get to do, that's going to be much longer lasting. So first, one of the first things that you can do this weekend is add a new vegetable to your plate. Add a new vegetable. Go to the store. It's either on one side of the grocery store. Go to a farmer's market and find something new that you'd be willing to try. Your taste buds change pretty frequently. You'd be surprised. You can learn to like something. Okay, 2, I want you to try a new recipe. I actually have 2 collections of my favorite recipes, about 10 to 20 of my favorite recipes that are pretty simple. I'm not a sous chef. I'm not anyone that can actually do a ton of different things. They're nice to watch, but I really like recipes that are new and easy. Try a new recipe this weekend and see what it's like. Okay, 3. This sounds pretty basic. Make a charcuterie board, but make it maybe like a poor man's Lunchable, but have a meal where you have a fruit, some sort of starch like a cracker or a pita chip, have some sort of protein, whether that be nuts or seeds or any type of maybe like lunch meat. You can kind of play around with that. Make kind of your own charcuterie board and what that would look like. Okay, 3, I want you to try a new favorite or a new coffee or tea. Look forward to something this week where you can have a really hot, soothing drink or make it iced cold, and look forward to that this weekend. Make it a ritual. Make it look presentable in a nice cup or coffee, or go enjoy it with a friend. But have a new coffee or tried and true tea. And lastly, I want you to try a new restaurant. Go to a place where you've been wanting to try and maybe have a safe food, but try something new instead of avoiding the place that you've been looking at secretly, or maybe it's a little bit out of your budget. Maybe you save for a couple weeks and then go, but try a new restaurant this weekend and see what that's like to go explore. Okay, I gave you 5 tips. If this was valuable, hit that subscribe button and follow along, and I will give you more value on how to imagine wellness in your life. Okay.